Oh, good day, folks. This is another S Group daily review video number 103. And we got some good earnings last night. Last night being Wednesday night, today is Thursday, so there's 2 days left in the week. So last night I was out busy doing some errands and stuff with the family, so didn't get a chance to make a video, but I'm going to make one today. So we got our earnings last night is 0.53% on the money I've invested. So I made 95.65, and also early this morning, somebody on my downline made a huge investment. So I got a referral bonus there of 22.52. So yeah, if you add all that up together, guys, that's how much I made. Well, I guess yesterday was 95.65. Today, I guess technically, since the bonus came in the morning, I made 22.52 so far, and then of course we get our earnings for tonight. So whatever that will be. So I guess it'll be 22.52 plus whatever I make later today. So that has come through. I'm really excited about that, guys. So as you see now, if I go back to my investments page, let's see here, the Forex. So I'm at 557.01. As you see from my last video, this has gone up. And of course, the bonus got added on to the $50 that I had. And then I had some other bonus that came in. Yeah, so I'm up to 95.32 on bonus there. Wow. So like this money, literally, I can take this out right now if I wanted to, guys. But what I'm doing is I'm waiting for them. They said sometime this week they're going to be adding the combine feature again, which you've seen in my other videos. It's usually around here. S Group, they're doing a bunch of updates. So as of right now, the combine feature is not available, but they did say it's going to be released sometime this week. I confirmed with the higher ups, so they said they're going to bring it back. Because, yeah, they're doing some updates in the system and such. They're implementing a bunch of new features and add-ons and stuff, so excited about that. But as you see, my two investments are 12 days old, guys. Days past. In the middle here it says 12. And on this big one, I've made $548. On this $400 small one, I made $8.60 just in 12 days, guys. It's just unbelievable. Just having this in the system and letting it earn money for you on autopilot, it's definitely a beautiful thing. And this money, yeah, is definitely withdrawable, guys. When they bring back the combine feature later on this week, I'll be able to combine these two investments into one. So it'll take all my monthly earnings combined and it'll throw them up to the top here. And then once it's up here, I have full access to the money. So I can withdraw all of the money, enjoy it, switch it to my bank account, or I could take a portion of that money, which I plan on doing. I'm going to take $400 of whatever this amount is, throw it back into the system so that my principal grows, because right now my principal is 23,600. So I want to grow this, and it's going to be 24,000 by the weekend in the next 2-3 days. And yeah, so once that's 24,000, so I'm going to reinvest 400, and then I'm going to take out the remainder, whatever that is. It might be like $400 or $500, the remainder. So we'll see. But yeah, so that's going to be what's going to be transpiring in the next few days. As you'll notice by the weekend, I'll be making a video on my S4X will be 24,000, guys. So it's going to be exciting because I'm going to be nearing the next tier, 25,000. So I'll be getting 80% of the share instead of 75% of each day. So I'll be making an average of $5 to $10 per day extra. And also because I got that commission, my team is actually growing. I haven't touched on this a lot in my previous videos, but I'll show you guys. I have 18 people on the team, 6 of them are active. My total team turnover, I have $20,055. That's how many people are actually have money invested in this system. So see, I need 25,000 for the next tier, which is 10.5% of team earnings. So I just need 4,944 left, guys. Now that when that happens, I'll be in $1,000 bonus from the company, and that's going to go right up to the top, so I can take it out, which I'm going to enjoy. So just wanted to make this quick 5-minute daily review video of S Group, guys. If this looks interesting, or you have any questions, shoot me an email. My link is in the description down below. Also, if you're looking to sign up with S Group, don't be hesitant to click on the sign up link down below in the description. You can sign up and join my team. I'll explain and show you guys everything. And also, don't forget to click on the sign up link down below so you can sign up and to the system. Oh, yeah, I forgot to say, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below. That's what I meant to say. So you can subscribe to my channel and see all my updates. All right, guys, so see you guys in the next video. Thank you and take care.